live wire dyan. So, kayo, ahas-ahas, pareho kayo ma-BLS yan. So you survey the scene, and if the scene is safe, you check for responsiveness. So, you check for responsiveness like this. Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? So you try to wake the patient up. because he may be just sleeping or probably hypoglycemic. So you should wake up the patient, try to check for responsiveness. So if the patient is not responsive, call for help. So call for advanced electrical defibrillator or someone who can call experts or doctors who can help you. So call for help. After you call for help, you check for the airway and breathing. So to check for the pulse and breathing, So with your right hand, you palpate the midline. So this is the cartilage. Then you slide your fingers laterally to palpate the carotid artery. Okay. Then while doing this, you listen for the patient's breathing he has for 10 seconds. And looking at the chest, you look for chest rise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if there is no pulse, no breathing, start CPR. Okay? So when you start CPR, before you have still to palpate for the sternum or for the ribs to locate for the proper position. Now, you can palpate it as long as it's in the midline of the chest and use the heel of your hand. So the right hand is under, ideally down may footstool. Then the left hand is over it, interlocked. Then with elbows straight, your shoulders perpendicular to the patient's chest, you give compressions. Okay, up to 30. Okay, up to 5 cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 37, 38, 29, 1. First cycle. Then after that, give breathing. So you do your head tilt, chin lift, close the patient's nose, and give 2 breaths. 1, 2. Then repeat it until 5 cycles or 2 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Make sure you do not have
9,
deformity
10.
of the neck.
Yes, of course. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Pataas yun yung ulo.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 2 seconds. Breathe. 1, 2. Or yung Then after completing the 5 cycles, you check again for pulse and breathing for 10 seconds. So check for pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If there is pulse, so you're able to revive the patient, but no breathing, you give rescue breaths. So you don't have any more to do compressions because there's already pulse. You have to assist his ventilation. So you can do this by the ABUBAG, or if there's no ABUBAG, you give rescue breaths like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, blow. 1, 2, 3, 2, blow. 10 to 12 cycles of that for 2 minutes. Then after that, check again for pulse and breathing. So, assuming there's pulse and breathing, you place patient into the recovered position with arm side lying, arms flexed, and legs flexed. Okay? So, can you demonstrate to us?
Wake up, wake up.
Sabay-sabay.
Wake up, wake up.
Wake up, wake up.
Tingnan natin kung sino pinakamagat niya. Okay.
Go, auditor.
You see a patient unresponsive. What will you do?
Survey. Minus one goal.
You see a patient unresponsive. What will you do? Survey the scene. The scene is safe.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Sige, next.
So,
Pakitry. Yan. So, nagka-clavicular fracture na. And next.
the patient is unresponsive. Next step. Call for help. Sige, call for help. Get an EMS or an AED. Sabihin niyo.
Ano daw? Ano?
BMS or E.
So, check pulse and breathing.
ED.
Check pulse and breathing.
Ryan, don't close the...
For the calvin pulse. And look at
Ryan,
chest
Ryan,
line.
mukha.
What you can do is you can use the palm of your hand on the forehead to extend. Hindi ganyan. Mamaya pa yun. Pag nag-breathe kayo, you close the nose para closed seal. Kasi pag nag-blow kayo sa mouth na naka-open yung nose, nalabas lang sa nose yung air.
For 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Kailangan sumasayaw si Ryan.
9, 10. No pulse, no breathing.
Go.
Start CPR.
Mali si Nico! Nico!
Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Di ba dapat straight yung hand?
9, 10, 11, 12,
Tsaka hindi straight.
15, 16, 17, 18. Harder! 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
For this model,
27,
maririnig niyo dapat ang clock. Tick, tick, tick for this model. Hindi mo naririnig. Sige. Yun. Go.
What? And give, give the Again. Count. 1, 2, 3,
Take note na dapat the arm should be perpendicular to the patient. This is too far. No, ideally, dapat perpendicular to make the good compression. Ha?
Hindi ba masisi? Parang natatakot naman yung mamaya. Kaya ma-refract. Di ba?
Dapat mabilis.
Bilis.
What you have to
Si Ryan wala sa midline eh.
use the brain.
Kaya sila naman yung compressor.
What you have to do is do
nga,
enough
si-
compression to
hindi, si Adobo
use
kayo.
the brain. Otherwise, mamamatay yung pasyente without oxygen to the brain. Go.
Go. Assume CPR. Ikaw, dapat marinig ng iba nila count kayo para alam nila kung saan na sila.
Si Ryan masyadong mahihain, nakakatawa.
Count.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Either.
Yung isang kamay na
19, 2.
Go.
2, breathe. 2. Tapos CPR.
Dapat tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy partner.
Wala. strict.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Nakapagod na.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129,
Kala nyo, tignan. Diba? Kailangan tumunog. Medyo. Hindi, malalambot lang, pero medyo bigat-bigat. Sakto, nalugulog.
27,
Okay.
After 5 cycles, check for pulse and breathing.
May pulse na agad.
For 10 seconds.
May pulse na agad.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh,
10.
may pulse na raw.
So there's pulse, no breathing. Give rescue breaths. 1, 2, 3, 1, blow. Yun ang pag-count doon. 1, 2, 3, 2, blow. 1, 2, 3, 3, blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, blow. 1, 2, 3, 5, blow. 1, 2, 3, 6, blow. Until 12. 1, 2, 3, 7, blow.
Tingalit kayo.
1, 2, 3, 8, blow. 1, 2, 3, 9, blow. 1, 2, 3, 10, blow. 1, 2, 3, 11, blow. 1, 2, 3, 12, blow.
Mapasobra.
Okay. Check for pulse and breathing. For 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10. There is pulse and breathing. Place patient into recovery position.
Kanta!
Through the fire! Kanta! Kanta! Nico! Nico! Kanta na! Nico, kanta na! Kakanta na yan!
Wala ka ba?
Thank you very much, Dr. Rolando. Thank you very much. Wala pa kayo mga kaman. Thank you very much. You went all the way just to assist us. Sige, lahat yan.